This hibiscus ginger drink is warming and perfect for cold days. Join me, I'll show you how to make it. It's so easy. Let's get started. Begin by pouring water in a pot. Add cinnamon sticks, cloves, and ginger. I grated the ginger because I want it to infuse very well in the water. You can dice it too. Now cover it and bring it to a gentle boil. Gently rinse the hibiscus petals and add to the pot. Turn off the heat and allow it to steep for 20 minutes. Allow the mixture to cool slightly, then strain it. Just look at how beautiful this hibiscus ginger drink is. It is a cozy drink that will warm you all winter. Rinse the residue with about 4 cups of water and add it to the drink. You may add more water to your taste. Discard the chaff. I use the mesh strainer to strain it a second time because I don't want any tiny residue in my drink. Sweeten lightly if desired. Taste the drink and adjust to your liking. Serve your hibiscus ginger drink warm. Enjoy it slowly. It is perfect for cold days. Hibiscus brings brightness, while ginger, cinnamon, and cloves add gentle warmth, making this a comforting seasonal drink. Thanks for watching. Thank you for spending this cozy moment with me. Until next time, cook gently and stay warm. Bye for now.